everybody, welcome back to KNF Gaming, and today we're here with a special episode because today is Matthew Chester's birthday. Yes, so today we are doing the battle mode from Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion XL. And Big Bird got some more people to join us today. Big Bird, who'd you get? Well, I got old Squidward, whatever. I got Mr. Krabs. Ahoy there! I have Cookie Monster. Hello! And, oh, Rizzle's here too. I didn't forget me. I'm sorry. And also for Cartoon Network representation, I got Zorak. Hi. I have Craig. Hey there. And I have Bernard. Hi. Alright, so let's not beat around the bush anymore. And let's begin.
Choose a character.
Alright, the frog go first. I'll go, let's see. I'll go Captain Planet.
Captain Planet.
Who do I want to play against? I'll play against, let's see, I'll play against Grimm.
So what show are we watching?
Let's see. Wait, I didn't mean to click that one. Oh! Well, until I current, you gotta do that one. Oh! Oh, well.
Captain Planet versus Grimm. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Go, go, go. I'll get to you, you Grim Reaper. Crabble! Whoa, the robot got him. Oh, really?
Too much.
God
pollution.
damn it. No, no, no. Oh!
You could beat the Grim Reaper.
Man, don't say it. I'll take another shot at the end if there's time. You play Plankton. Okay.
Choose a character.
I think I'll go Dexter.
Dexter.
Fellow boy genius. Good. This looks like I'm even more of a nerd. Jesus, okay. Who am I gonna play against? I have him fight against, Yun Ben.
Ben Tennyson.
I kinda like it in this color. I'll do this.
So what show are we watching?
Oh, I'll do training. Let's do that.
Dexter versus Ben Tennyson. 3.
Wow, what an entrance.
1, fight!
Here we go. I can do the ultimate smash.
I am unstoppable.
Here we go. Bam!
No fair. I'm just a kid.
Yeah, well, so is Dexter, but that doesn't stop him. You're stuck. Are you stuck? No, you're not stuck. Come on, you. Are me and Bernard in this game? No, Craig. This game was made way before you two hit the airwaves. I guess that makes sense.
Snap! Super attack!
Final smash again. Ben Tennyson, eat this!
Why won't this watch work?
Just because. Oh, crap!
Be the opposite.
Today is a fine day for science!
You know what, Kermit? What big word? I'll let you take my turn. Are you sure? Yeah, I kind of feel bad for you. Because you didn't do so well the first time. Oh, well, thank you. You're welcome.
Choose a character.
Alright. I'll be Monkey. Oh, God! Okay, no one picked the fourth one ever. Okay, I'll play against Mojo. No. Okay.
So what show are we watching?
Okay, let's see. I think I'll play in the swamp. I don't really think it's a swamp, Kermit. Well, it kind of looks like it. I'll take it.
Monkey versus Mojo Jojo. 3,
Alright, let's try it
2,
again. Kermit the Frog,
1.
take 2.
Fight!
Are those from Ben 10? I don't know. I don't watch the show. Yeah, me neither. We're Nickelodeon people. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, it's cheese. Oh, pillow. Here, have a pillow. Where'd you go? There you are. Pillow, pillow. Here, have a pillow. No? Okay. No one needs to know that cheese.
Oh, you are weak.
Ha, gotcha. Bye, Eduardo. Whoa, whoa. Okay, you're almost dead, so final smash! Oh, he's not almost dead. Time to go Super Saiyan! Ha!
There is no longer company.
Yeah, I hear this again. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, not Fred Burger. He's almost as annoying as Patrick. No. Oh!
That would be the option. Yes.
Hey, what's cooking?
Oh, it's gazpacho.
I think I hear muffin calling.
Here, why don't you go out with the bang? Or not? Oh, an army! Oh no! I can't afford to lose now. We're tied. I can't afford to lose.
Chowder.
Alright, let's hope I can do this. Come on. Be good to the frog. Be good to the frog. Oh, crap. Yeah, I did. It's alright. Good job, Kermit. Thank you, Plankton. Alright. Whew. But we do have to come from mid. What we do? Yeah, we'll be right back. So we're right back. Hold on. I can't press the button for some reason. Hold on. Okay, sorry, folks. I had to respond to a quick text. Who's up next? I believe I am.
Choose a character.
Who do I want to be? Let's see. I'll pick Knuckles.
Captain Knuckles.
He's a fellow captain. He's not really a captain. I'll take what I can get. And I'll have him fight against, let's see. Have a fight. Who do I want to fight against? Let's see. How about Chowder?
Chowder and Kimchi.
Oh, wrong one.
So what show are we watching?
Okay, I'll pick this room. Because why not? Okay, here we go.
Captain versus Chowder and Kimchi. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Crap, I missed my opportunity.
What? I splintered me legs.
What is that voice? I think you already established that when we did the Let's Play. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, where's the music? And how the hell am I losing to a kid? Now you're supposed to be dead. Get back. How fitting. How very fitting. Oh, here. Have this. Need a taste of... Ah! No! Here. Ah! Oh, my foul smash!
Adventure!
Uh-oh. Oh, crap! Oh, God, that face! Yeah, I don't know what that face, oh, God! There we go!
I'm a great adventurer.
Ruff, ruff, what is all the noise? Oh, Hudson, I'm over there taking a nap and I keep hearing this screaming. Oh, you're doing a KNF gaming video. That makes sense. You want to play, Hudson? Nah, I'll stick around and commentate. After all, I am a reporter. You all know that. Anyway, it's my turn.
Choose a character.
Who would I want to be? I'm not picking him, obviously. I think I'll pick, you know, I know Matthew likes the Powerpuff Girls, so I'll be one of them. Who do I want to be, though? I'll be, no, actually, you know, for a certain character in his show.
Bubbles.
Really? Squidward. Hey, was it gonna be me or Patrick? And Patrick's not here, so. Okay, fine, fair enough. Who are you gonna play against, though? Alright, that's a good question. How about, let's see. How about him?
Him.
Okay.
So what show are we watching?
When do we Cartoon Network people get to play? After Cookie Monster, Bernard. Fine. I'll go to the city. Hey, what about me? Oh, I meant after Rizzo. I forgot you were there. Is it because I'm small? I'm sorry, okay? Nah, it's fine, Frog. After Rizzo, you Cartoon Network people get to play. Fine.
Fight.
Crap! Actually, this is kind of fitting, Square, because they're both from the same show. Oh yeah, you're right. I remember, wait, what was I saying? Crap, I forgot. It happens. Why are you a butterfly? You're not beautiful like a butterfly. Oh, you're lucky he's not in this show. You know, he'll probably kill you for saying that. Look at those big, meaty claws. I thought you hated that. It's fine when I said. If someone says it like about me claws, then I get angry. Whoa. Oh, I forgot that happens. Wait, I wasn't in that part, so I didn't know. What are you doing? You're stuck here. Let me help you. Die already! Will you die? Here, have my final... Where are you? Hold it. Where are you? There you are. Where are you? Here, have my final... Final smash! There! Finally, you die, you son of a bitch! Wow, weird freak, weird freak. Okay, you die. Oh, here, help me. Coco, what are you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna give me eggs? Fine, here. These are yolks, folks. The girls were, I think, were racing to save the professor from him, and it turned out to be a bet for a restaurant price. For flapjacks, I think. Oh yeah, I remember seeing that clip. Sounds like sorry, Mr. Krabs would do, honestly. What? You're gonna pretend you didn't say it, Mr. Squared, or I'll dock your pay. Right! out with a bang! Hammer final smash! Why do you keep saying final smash? This is not Smash Brothers. Well, it's kind of like Smash Brothers. Make it. Come on. No! No, come on! What? Well, at least you still have some health left, Squirt. Him just has like 1. Fair enough. Oh, it's number 4. Bye-bye.
That was fun.
Rough, man. You were rough with him, Squidward. Alright, thank you, Hudson. Alright, Cookie Monster, you're up. Yeah, me up. Okay, here we go. Who am I gonna be? Me think we're gonna be, Chowder. He loves to eat, like me. And, we're gonna play against, gonna play Billy and Mandy. Okay, where we go? Where we go? Uh-oh. Candyland! It's Candy Island. Candy Island, even better! We get to play here! Oh, God. I knew that would happen at some point. Oh, Cookie Monster, calm down. It's a town island in a candy.
3, 2, 1.
This be paradise, next to Cookie World. You mean that weird thing you parodied once on Sesame Street? No, not that. Be ashamed of that because we parodied Elmo. You mean the real Cookie World, where everything made of cookies? Ah, well, that somehow makes more sense. It rains sprinkles. We got the holiday there. It's not real, though. You don't know that. What's that? Is that chocolate? Chocolate boulders. Or Candy Pirate, too.
Mandy, help me!
Mandy not gonna help you. You're her punching bag. Really, Cookie Monster? Hey, me not lying. Okay, yeah, actually true, yeah. Who is that guy again? I think he's from some side segment they do on Dexter's Laboratory. I think he's a superhero. The Justice Friends? I think that's right. I don't really remember. We don't really pay much attention to Dexter's Lab. We do just one episode, though, from the show, where they all teamed up to defeat this Godzilla-like monster. And, Monkey came in and helped them. Oh, yeah, I remember. And Dexter had to reveal his secret laboratory. How convenient for this stage! Oh! Final smash attack! I'm a fire and a laser!
What? Get out of here, Candy White.
I never understood why Larry has a candy wife. It's kind of weird.
Tag team.
Oh, a tag team. Oh! Cookie! Oh! God, you're gonna roll you over. Come here. Hold still. You're gonna make me waste this? Are you for real? You just made me waste it. Oh, there I am. Ah!
Wow, you just hit.
Oh, for real? Oh, here comes the army. Aren't you also from Billy and Mandy? I think the character does appear, but I think he's more known for evil Crane, I think. I don't know. The one show from the same people who made Billy and Mandy with the brain. I forget his name. Forget it. Again, we're more Nickelodeon people, but we do like Cartoon Network.
Let's cook it.
Oh, gazpacho! Gazpacho, we need more cookie.
You should be on it. I'm kidding.
Oh, it's Mandark. Come here. Come to Cookie Monster so we can get you. No.
Giant horses. Carrier.
Mandark, you know. There you go. Oh, we better not have missed that. We swear to God. We don't know what happened. Ah, cheese again. No one cares. Oh crap! Extreme close-up. Okay, it's your turn, Rat. And it is getting really rough. Are you gonna do that throughout the whole game, Hudson? No, Kermit, sorry. Alright, Rizzo, who are you gonna be? I don't know. Let's see, who is good? I like this one.
Toiletnator.
The Toiletnator. Really, Rizzo? I'm a rat. What do you expect? A fight against, let's see. Who are you? I'm pretty sure it's from Samurai Jack. I'll fight against this guy with the eagle.
Johnny Bravo. So what show are we watching?
Okay, where are we at? Let's see. Oh, I like this base. Oh, it's the moon base from Kids Next Door. Kind of famous as you're playing as a character from the show.
Toiletnator versus Johnny Bravo. 3, 2, 1, fight!
What the?
Circling the train.
What the hell? Panini! Oh, I'm going backwards. No! Oh, Rizzo. I don't know. I think I might have picked up bad guy. Shut up, Frog! Here, you're meat. Oh, crap! Here, have a go out with a bang! Oh, it's that vampire guy. Wait, Johnny Bravo out of motorcycle, Wayne! That's me! That's my thing! Why are you not in this video? Wah! Oh, it's Gwen.
Oh, mama.
Hang on to your underwear.
Oh, it's number 2. You're all biplane. No! Oh, crap. Sorry, Rizzo. Quiet, you. You know what? I'm leaving. Screw this game. Really, Rizzo? Okay, well, Rizzo is a sore loser. And what do you expect from a rat? Alright, okay, Craig, you're up. Oh, good. We could be cartoon number people get to end the video.
Choose a character.
Okay, who do I want to be? I'll be this one.
Number 1.
I'll pick him here. It looks sort of like my shirt. Craig, your shirt is more light than that. Oh yeah, 2 point Bernard. Hold on. Then this one. Yeah, that one kind of looks more like your shirt, Craig. Alright, I'll play against, I'll play against, let's see. I'll play against these two.
So what show are we watching?
Let's see, how about, nah, how about here? Am I good here? Nah, how about here? No, how about this one? Hey, I was gonna pick that kid. I'm sorry, Mr. Bug.
Number 1 versus Mac and Blue. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Oh, now they get the panini treatment. I know how I feel. Oh, crap. Wait, what? I got it. Oh. I'm stuck. Oh. Alright, now it's time for my final smash.
This one's for kids everywhere.
I'm bringing the heat, boy. How did that not kill you? Oh my god. Finally! I can think of a million things, Blue. Ugh. Come on, Craig.
The total odd couple.
Ooh! Captain Justice, I think is his name. I don't really know.
What did I do to deserve that?
Crab, crab, oh! What? Don't know, I wasn't listening.
You should be on it. I'm seeing Giant horses with Dexter carrier. Attack!
Alright, here we go.
What did I do
Oh.
to deserve that?
They always do that extreme close-up when they crash into the screen.
Look easy.
Alright, you're up, Bernard. Me? Okay, I'll try. I'm not good at these fighting games. Didn't you play Power Punches with your dad, Bernard? That was years ago, Frog.
Choose a character.
Let's see who's good. I'll pick this guy.
Samurai Jack.
Who will I play? I'll play against, this guy.
Blackjack. So what show are we watching?
Let's see. I think I'll pick this place. Alright, After Bernard, we'll go Zorak and then we'll end the video. Donkey! Oh, Shrek, hi. Donkey, I kept a special message at the end of the video. What, you do? Yes, so, cut back to me when you're done with this video, Donkey. Okay.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Oh crap, I forgot the deck moves! Okay, we're on a pirate ship now. No candy, need cookie.
There is no escape.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
I know that didn't feel good because it looked awful. Two for a team up.
Oh, another team up. Whoa!
You must
Nice,
defeat
Bernard.
that Dragon punch to stand.
Thank you, Craig. All right, Zorak, get up. All right.
Choose a character.
I'll be this guy.
Father.
He looks like a Cheeto here. Oh my God, no, him all white is not right. It's not right. And I'll play against the Grim Reaper.
So what show are we watching?
Let's see what's good. Now. I'll go here.
Father versus Grim. 3, 2, 1, fight!
What stage is this, Kermit? This is Mandark Slab on Plankton. Oh yeah, wait, by the way, how did we get these extra stages? Oh, well, from the points we got from the original Let's Play, we bought some stages and characters. Ah, I see, that makes sense. Yeah, that's the thing you can do in this game. What is... What's this do? Oh, it activates the lasers.
I think I hear mother.
I wonder what Father's final smash is.
Oh, snap! Super attack!
Whoa!
Hate to see that,
Nice!
or even have that happen.
Oh, crap! Crap! No, 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 no! Hi, Ron. You get man dark in his own lab, always dead.
I won't stop until I destroy the kids next door.
Right, so with that being said, this concludes this video. Once again, this was for Matthew Chester's birthday. Be sure to check out Matthew after this video with the link in the description, with the links below. Until then, thank y'all for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy birthday, Matthew, and say bye, guys. Bye for me, Plankton. Bye for me, Big Bird. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye, eat cookie. So long for me, Hudson the dog. Ruff. Bye-bye for me, Craig. Bye for me, Bernard. Bye. Now, I have to go before Constantine or Bowser finds me here. Boing. And now here's my message, donkey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Matthew Chester. Andy is little Pooh. Ha! Really, Shrek? Quit! Happy birthday, Matthew, donkey.
Subscribe.